Alright, I believe I am recording. What is going on, everyone? Today is day 50. So 50 days in a row I've been uploading a video. Bad days, good days, medium days, I don't know. But anyways, let me share my screen. I was reading the comments to last week's videos, and I read this comment from my yesterday's video. Shout out I'm Pro Lol, I believe that's how you say your name. So I read his comment, and very cool advice. And he said that if you're interested, I think it would be cool to spend a little bit of your next video giving an introduction about yourself, like what you are in your educational journey, what the end goal is as a software engineer, like where you want to work, full stack, boom boom boom. So for new subscribers like myself, keep it up. So yeah, since this is my 50th day, I'll just do a little cool introduction about myself. My name is Madi. I'm studying computer science at the California State University of Long Beach. My goal is to do backend. I'm very intrigued in backend. I'm of course front end is cool, but full stack, but mainly on the back end side is what what kind of engineer I want to focus on. Yeah, man, I'm 21. I'm about to graduate in a year. Spent the last 3 years of my college education just learning. Kind of messed up and started not really like focusing and learn like of course I understood what was going on with my education, but problem was I never really put it into practice, if that makes sense, and I messed up. And yeah, man, I just wanted to do these videos before I graduate and just learn every day, get better. Yeah, that's a little bit about me. Yeah, the end goal is of course to be a software engineer, work at a company, but that's the 9 to 5 scheme shit is not really like what I want. So hopefully just become a software engineer, build from my 20s to 30s, and then practically in my 30s start my own business, hopefully a little startup or something that could do well, because I don't want to work for someone. It's not my goal. But yeah, anyways, comment down below a little bit about yourself. I would love to meet my subscribers, or if you just want to click the video and you don't need to subscribe, it's okay, it's cool. That's a little bit about me. I'm trying my best to learn every day. I'm not the best. I suck at this stuff, so trying to get better. But yeah, that's a little bit about me. Shout out to I'm Pro Lol for doing this comment. I'll respond to your comments after this video I make. But yeah, man, this is the 50th video, so 50 days strong. And shout out to my homie Noah. He's the one who influenced me to do these videos. I used to stream, which I wish I can do it again. Just streaming is a little bit harder to learn and stream, but this is my homie. Told me to start doing these videos, and I did, so pretty cool. Anyways, okay, so yeah, we're gonna go back to what we were learning. We're on encapsulation. I think we finished the first one yesterday. I think I did a short video when I came back from the beach with my fam. So yeah, let's do the next one. Not security. Encapsulation is all about making code easy to work with by hiding complicated code within a black box. It makes it so that we don't have to worry about details of how a function or method works. We just use it. It's kind of like the inner workings of your car's power steering are hidden from you. You don't need to be an expert on hydraulic systems to turn the wheel from side to side, right? Let me say this part loud and clear. Encapsulation concepts of private public members have nothing to do with security. This really confused me as a new developer, just as the casing on your computer hides the inner workings but does not stop you from opening the case and looking inside. Encapsulation doesn't stop anyone from knowing how your code works, it just puts all in an easy place to find. Encapsulation is all about organization, not security. Encapsulation is like storing folders in an unlocked filing cabinet. The cabinet doesn't stop anyone from peeking inside, but also that's a good example. Private properties are good for keeping passwords safe. Private properties. Private properties. See, that's the word that's like private. If it's just open, I don't know. I guess false. I don't like that question. Encapsulation is a great way to make it easier for other developers to work with your code. Yeah, true. See, that's a good question. Fucking stupid ass first question. Wizard duel. So let's have ourselves a wizard duel. Complete assignment. Complete the following methods on the wizard class. Okay, so we finished that one up top. Oh my god, stop texting me. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Get fireballed should reduce the fireball damage by the wizard's _ stamina. So get fireballed. So when fireball hits the wizard, and there's some like Clash Royale shit. Increase the okay. So what we're doing? Fireball. Okay, so reduce the fireball damage by the wizard's stamina. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, okay. Reduce fireball damage. So fireball damage should be reduced. So fireball damage has to be reduced by the self dot _ stamina. I believe that's how it works. Reduces wizard's health. Self dot health by the resulting, so minus equals the fireball damage. Drink mana potion. Drink mana potion. So increase the mana potion by whether's so increase the potion by the what we doing, the intelligence. So self dot _ intel. Hopefully I suppose right. Intelligence. Right, and then I guess we increase the wizard's mana. Okay, so self dot mana by the potion, right? That makes sense. Potion mana. Right, go boys! First try. Getting better at this a little bit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. All right, guys. Right, mate. Cool. Getting better at this. I'm starting to understand this self shit. Shout out to fuck something lol. My last video. Self is very important. Encapsulation in Python. Python is a very dynamic language, which makes it difficult for sorry. My friend Noah tells me to look at the solution after to compare it with yours and learn, but it seems like it's bar for bar. Right? Same shit. I run solution. Yeah, same thing. Nice. Encapsulation in Python. Python is a very dynamic language which makes it difficult to the interpreter to enforce some of the safeguards that languages like Go do. That's why encapsulation in Python is achieved mostly by convention rather than force. I'm not gonna lie, I was reading that shit and daydreaming at the same time, so I gotta lock in. Python is a very dynamic language which makes it difficult for an interpreter to enforce some safeguards that languages like Go do. That's why encapsulation in Python is achieved mostly by convention rather than force. Prefixing methods and properties with double underscores is a strong suggestion to the user of the class that they shouldn't be touching that stuff. If a developer wants to break convention, there are ways to get around the double underscore rule. So the double underscore makes the private property, but it's not strictly enforced. There are hacks to go around it. So say return self to get the height. We get height. So okay. Python forces encapsulation by fully preventing developers from touching private class. I don't care. Alright. Other languages like Go have more strict ways before encapsulation. Oh, that's true. They said that. Yeah. Wizard duel. The fuck? Did it? Am I having deja vu or did we just do this? Another one. Let's give our wizards the ability to launch fireballs at each other. Complete the cast fireball method. If there isn't enough mana to cast a fireball based on the fireball cost argument, raise an exception with the message. Okay, so this is gonna be so casting a fireball. So of course we're gonna need an if statement. So if there isn't enough mana, if self.mana to cast a fireball. If self.mana is less than the fireball cost, right? If it's less than, it is not enough. Based on the fireball's underscore cost argument, raise an exception. So raise exception. Fuck, I forgot how to do exceptions. Shit. Raise oh, it's okay, I'll just exit out of this. Last time it wasn't fucking type or error, bro. Last time it was just okay, we're just gonna learn on the go. Fuck it, if it's wrong, it's wrong. I think it's like this. Fuck. And we gotta do an F string, I believe, because we want to do his name, right? We want to do self dot name, and then what we doing? Cannot cast with a fireball. Cannot cast fireball. Okay. Okay, now we have another if statement. If it has enough mana, so elif self dot mana is greater than. Should we do equal? Fuck it. I think that's might work. Fireballs and call reduce their mana by wait. If the wizard has enough mana, reduce the mana by the fireball cost. So we're gonna reduce. So fireball cost reduce their mana by the okay. So we're gonna do self dot mana minus equal the fireball cost and call get fireball on the target. What? Whoa, it lost me there. And call get fireballed. Where's get fireballed? Oh. Okay, then we need the fireball damage, yeah. On the target? Wizard? And call get fireballed, so if the wizard has enough mana, so say it has enough mana, fireballs, reduce the mana by the fireball cost. So we reduce the mana by the fireball cost. Now and call get fireballed. So we're gonna get call get fireball on the target wizard. Target. Oh, I see. Shit. Okay. I don't know how to fuck. I don't know what I'm doing. Call get fireball on a target wizard with the given fireball damage. The target wizard with the given fireball damage. Okay, let me come back to this. So def is underscore life self. Complete as a they should return true if the wizard's health return true. You know what? I've always seen this. I'm gonna try it out. Return true if they put the if statement next to the true or some shit. I don't know. I've never done this, so learning. If should return true if the wizard's health. So if self dot. Are we doing name of the wizard? Is greater than 0. Dude, I never done a. How do you make an if statement on the same line of return? Cool. That'd be cool if that works. Oh shit, what? So it's just else false, I guess. Thing is, this shit's gonna be wrong. I don't fudge, I just don't know. And call get fireballed on the target wizard. The target wizard, is that the name? Get fireballed on what? Self dot name with the given fireball damage. So we need to get fireball damage on. This is so wrong. Oh, let's see. Whoa, wizard health, dumbass. I'm stupid. Oh, should be uppercase, no? Fails. It's probably this. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I gotta GPT that. I don't know. I have no idea. Whatever. Yeah, I know it's this. I just don't. Is get fireball a standalone function or a method of the target wizard? If I want to damage the wizard, get fireballed. I'm not understanding. Mama. Oh, what the? That's what I said. I'm like, what? I'm like, what the fuck is mama? It's just this. I don't know how to do this. So what you want to do? I can just do else. I don't think that's just a. I want to see if this works or not. Who should get hit? You're calling get fireball without saying who should receive the fireball. But you've already received a variable called target, which represents other wizards. So what do you think? Oh, the fucking target. I guess. What? Get fireball does not. Fireball damage? Bro, I don't know what's going on. I swear I like people in the comments would be like, bro, stop using GPT and learn. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. No, let me not give up. Okay, okay, let's understand what the fuck is going on. So we gotta get called fireball on the target wizard. We have to call get fireball. No way, so bro. So if the target makes this the target stamina, so we get the fireball damage. No way. No fucking way. Let's go! I get it! Fuck you, GPT. Hey, don't say in the comments I didn't try. You heard me and you seen me. You heard me and you seen me. I didn't ask for it. I was going to. I was like, fucking let me try my own. I did it. I get it too. So target, we have to call get fireball for the target wizard, and then the fireball damage that we did right here, where is it? The fireball damage for that targeted wizard, boom, goes to this function. Boom. Fuck you. I did it. Let's go. W's. That's a W. That's a W. That's a W. Come on. Let's go. Okay, you think we'll be able to finish it? Holy shit, this is long. Extraction. We'll see. I don't know. I really want to get this over with by the end of this week. Where are we? Encapsulation Practice. Age of Dragons is a game about resource management and strategy. Age of Dragons. Let me drink some water. Holy shit. I'm tired. Alright, sorry guys. Encapsulation practice. So Age of Dragons is a game about resource management and strategy. The game has a feature that allows players to manage their resources in a bank. The bank has a feature that allows players to deposit and withdraw funds. Okay, complete the bank account class. Complete the constructor. Set account number to account. Okay. Okay, so self dot underscore account. How doesn't fill in? Cause I can easily not spell something correct. Number is equal to account number, and we have self dot underscore initial init y'all. Yep. Balance equal to initial balance. Okay, now we need get account. Okay. So complete the public getters. Complete the get account number. So a method to get the value of the private variables to get account number and return it. Complete the get balance method. Okay, what? Fuck. So okay, we're done with this. I'm not looking at this no more. So much things going on. Complete the public getters, right? Okay, so get account, get balance, right? That's what we need. Oh, okay, I see. So we're doing the balance, and that's what it means by public getters. And then 3 is the deposit and withdraw. Boom. Okay, I get it. Boom. Now we're focusing on the 2 points right there. Get account number and get balance. Oh yeah, complete the get account number method to get the value of the private variable and return it. So return, whoa, doing that. Return return, I guess, self dot underscore the account underscore number. Is that what you want me to do? To get the value of the private variable. Account number. Wait, complete the account number method. Okay, complete the get balance. So I guess that's the same shit, right? Complete the get balance method. So I guess return. Dude, I hate doing this. Well, we just need that. And now I guess this short shit is done. Now we need this one. Fuck. It should accept an amount as input and add it to account balance. So deposit method, we need it should accept an amount. Which it gave us amount, right? So we're doing the same shit, plus equals the amounts, right? And add it to a balance, which we did. Okay, if deposit amount isn't positive, it should raise a value error. Oh, is this like a banking shit? I see how what they mean. If the balance is where are we? Oh, did I do that raise exception shit correct? I did. Nice. Okay, I'm trying not to forget raise exceptions no more. If self where are we? If isn't positive, if is less than 0, A value error exception. Now this is different. I know we just talked about this. What the fuck is this? Raise exception Python value error. This is this one. Exception type. Value error. It's not really an exception, just a value error. So let's just say return. Oh, I get it now. Exception. So value error and exceptions are different. I'm getting it. With the message. I'm not finna type that out. Cannot deposit funds. Ensure cross it out. Otherwise it should add the amount to the balance. Wait, what? Oh shit. This is wrong. It should be this. Right? That's wrong. Deposit something. If someone is less than, return that error. Else, just add it. Right? But then it should accept amount as a input. Okay, I don't know how to do this. What's input? Should it be self? The amount is alright. Amount is equal to input. Hopefully that's right. I think it makes sense in my head. I don't know if it's right though. Okay, so I guess we're done with this. Now, here for the big boy. Fuck. So, it should accept an amount and check if there's enough money in the account for the withdrawal. Okay, so if we do... Okay. That doesn't make sense if I put self.amount here, input. I don't know if that makes sense, because then if I do withdrawal, how would they know if they put an amount? Is that amount for deposit or withdrawal? But wouldn't they call the method first, like withdrawal? I don't know. Let's just do it. I think this is right, bro, because self.amount as input. Then after, we need to check if self the amount if wait, it should exist an account. Okay, if it's greater than the self account number, right? Because that's your, was it an initial balance? No, this is wrong. Wait. Money for the account. It has to be this. Initial balance. Right. Account number is what just account you have. This is initial balance is your balance, right? If it's greater than your balance, we're gonna raise. It should accept an amount and check if enough money is in the account for withdrawal. So I guess we're gonna do the opposite. If it's less than, well, okay, I forgot how to copy a line. I should delete this when I had a chance. Whatever. Yeah. Trying to make sure the indentation is correct. If self dot amount is less than the initial balance, that we're gonna let them put in an amount to withdraw. If the withdrawal amount isn't positive, it should raise the issue. If self dot amount is less than 0, we're gonna raise. I think it should just be like this, but the words are different. Cannot deposit, cannot withdraw. So withdraw, I think that's how you spell it. Withdraw, boom. Then if there is not enough funds, it should raise it. That's what I was thinking about the first one. So if wait, what? There's not enough funds. It should raise. See, the same shit as this. Right? But it has to be. It's greater than. If there's not enough funds. Right? We're gonna raise. What is it? Another value error? Yep. Value error. Insufficient funds. Otherwise, it should deduct the amount of the balance. So we're gonna do self dot underscore underscore initial underscore balance minus equal the self dot amount. Let's spell everything right. Amount. Right. Here you go. Fail. IO error. What does that mean? The fuck's an IO error? I have no idea what IO error is. Is it the input? Is that the issue? Is it the input? I might have to ask GPT. I'm looking lost here. I was hoping this was right. It all sounded right to me. Wait a minute. Oh, one failed. I was so hyped. What happened? Cannot deposit 0 or negative funds. So this is the issue. Oh, if it's equal? Fail. Deposit amount is 0 because if self done is negative, initial balance is 200. Initial balance is 200. The deposit amount is 0. The withdrawal amount is 10. Expected error cannot deposit 0 or negative funds. I guess this is an issue right here. Is it because these are both the same here and here? Wait, okay, let's look at this one more time. Complete the deposit method. By the way, that input shit that I did was super stupid and like beta, like super amateur. Obviously the amount is already the input, so you don't need to do that. Just put that fucking stupid ass. That's on me, sorry. But hey bro, if I didn't do that, 2 out of 3, not bad. I guess this is an issue. Complete the deposit method. Should accept an amount as input and add it to account balance. If the deposit amount, okay, so it should accept an amount. Account balance. Wait, what? And add it to the account balance. Oh, wait. It should accept an amount, right, as input, self-done amount, right, and add it. Oh, shit. So, plus equals, wait, as input, as that, right? Wait. It should accept amount as input, self-done amount as input, and add it to account balance. So you're telling me I gotta add that to here? Well, it's already doing that here though. What? So we don't even need this. This is and add it to it. Yeah, this is all gonna fail because there's 2. If I do this, no error was raised. What? Okay. If the deposit amount isn't positive, is the... Oh shit. If the deposit amount, yeah, for the self... Wait, hold up. Okay, let's just see if this works, because it's asking it if self-dot amount isn't positive, if it's the deposit amount isn't positive, not the fucking balance, it should raise a value error. What? No error was raised again. If self-dot amount is less than, says that's negative. Whoa, bro, that's weird. Okay, if the deposit amount, if that is negative, if the deposit amount isn't positive, if it's not positive, which it could be equal to 0 because 0 is not positive, it should raise a value error. Return. Raise it. Oh, wait, what? Oh, shit. Raise. Dumbass, not return. Oh, Lord. This is wrong as well, then, too, because this should raise as well. I know. I know the issue. Watch. Watch. It should have been the else, right? The else that we had. Let's go back to where we were. It's fine. Yeah, okay. We gotta do self dot. I had a lot of errors going on. Self dot, what is it called? Amount Has to be less than that. I don't know if we should keep this here. We have to see if it's first that. There's no, raise, you dumbass. Raise. It should be raise as well. Oh, fuck. Okay, what's the issue? I spelled it wrong. No way. Okay, that's the issue. Hey guys, hopefully you guys don't bitch in the comments and say he didn't use ChatGPT, which I'm not right now. I'm doing it right here, just fixing it. Cannot withdraw zero negative funds, so I guess it's there's an issue with this if statement. So the second one, if withdrawal amount isn't positive, if the withdrawal amount isn't positive. Alright, if the withdrawal amount, no raise accessory that cannot draw. Okay, you spelled wrong, which I highly doubt it because it looks the same. If it's less than, maybe you just need to equal to. Fucker. Getting better. I don't care, bro. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. I'm not using this piece of shit. Honestly, the only thing I really used this with was the input because I was so confused. But my dumbass, like right when I figured it out, amount's already inputted as an amount. So you just have to put the self into it. Okay, a little bit better. Getting better. Okay, if I'm free later, I will do this on my own because I really want to finish this. But I'm gonna stop the video because I'm trying to go eat. But W's, guys. I think this was a good stream video. Losing my mind. Thank you for everyone watching this video. Please comment down below. I would love to meet you guys. Again, shout out to I'm going to your name again because that was a pretty good comment and I messed with it, and I appreciate everybody for the support. I've been seeing everybody motivating me. I'm pro lol. I appreciate you again, bro. Thank you for saying to talk about myself a little bit and then go. It's good to say that out loud sometimes and keep on moving. But appreciate everybody for the comments and stuff. It really means a lot to me. Please subscribe if you're watching this. I'm trying to I don't know, build a community. Join the Discord in bio. So alright guys, see you later. See you tomorrow.